What's up, everybody? It is your girl Glenda, and we are back with another video. Just coming to y'all with a small Aldi grocery haul. Okay, this is kind of like a pre-Thanksgiving grocery haul from Aldi. Okay, let's get started. Let's get started on this. So real quick, I have some heavy whipping cream, y'all. That's gonna be for some macaroni and cheese. Also got half and half. Same thing for macaroni and cheese. Now listen, if y'all sleeping on Aldi, don't, okay? There are particular things that I purchase from Aldi and some things that I just won't, and I will go to HEB to pick up. But for the most part, you can get some really good deals, some really good finds at Aldi. Make sure y'all click the link in the description to get your Coldest Water Bottle. I do receive like a little discount if you get your Coldest Water Bottle through me. So yeah, I even have my name on mine, y'all. We also have, we did an Aldi's pickup haul. And so that's what this is. So we have 2 of these sour creams. I have 2 of them here. And y'all know who is coming over, because I got some blueberries and I got some strawberries. They look pretty good too. They did a good job picking them. All right, now back here, we're gonna have some tacos this evening. So I picked up some Mexican style cheese, but I also wanted to try this taco style cheese, which is crazy. I'm looking at it now. You see it says a blend of cheddar, asadero, finely shredded cheeses with, oh, okay, it has taco seasoning in it already. Okay, because I'm thinking that it's the same as this Mexican style cheese, and technically it is, because this is Monterey Jack, asadero, and quesadilla finely shredded cheeses. So, okay, I see the difference. But this has taco seasoning in it. It's something that we haven't tried before, so I wanted to give that a try. Behind here, we got a big peanut oil, because you guys know I fry chicken in peanut oil. Saving this is Thanksgiving as well, because we're gonna fry up some wings as an additional meat. Grab some extra seasonings just to make sure we have enough. Got your ground sage, your poultry seasoning, ground nutmeg, and ground allspice. Below that is 2 dozens of eggs, and then I have the other 2 over here. And then here I have 2 of the cream cheeses. Okay, and then let's move up here. I got some Casa Mamita diced tomatoes with green chilies. This is basically like the off-brand Rotel, and that'll be for tonight for my Mexican rice. And I got some la banderita flour tortillas for our tacos. This smoked cheddar cheese. This is smoked cheddar cheese. This is not what I asked for. So this is supposed to be smoked Gouda, but it's smoked cheddar cheese. And some mild cheddar cheese for the macaroni and cheese that we'll make for Thanksgiving. And then over here, I got some in my eye. We got 2 of these whip toppings, so that's just, you know, your little off-brand Cool Whip. And then under it, I have 2 pie shells. Let me scoot back some. I'm too close. Some pie shells, and looks like they're deep dish, and so there's probably 2 of them. Yeah, 2 ready to bake pie crust, 9-inch. So we grabbed 2 of those. So now we have 4. All that is going to the freezer. And then we just have 2 loaves of bread. And that's it, y'all. There's husband over there.
Hey, how y'all doing? You getting ready for this old Thanksgiving? You know my plate is big and ready.
So that's our grocery haul, y'all. Make sure that you click the link in the description to get your Coldest Water Bottle. And let me know in the description what you guys are making for Thanksgiving. This is just a little pre-Thanksgiving haul from Aldi. We'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.
Filled up my lungs with ecstasy. I can't believe we were so young, maybe 20-something. We were living in a fantasy. I knew right from the start you were the other half of my heart. Ooh, half of my heart. Spend every single day staring into your beautiful blue. Every single day, every single hour. We're growing older together.
What's up, my YouTube family? It is your girl, and we are back with another video. So you guys know Thanksgiving is coming up, and this year and for the past few years, we've been hosting Thanksgiving at my house. And so I already, by this video, you will have already seen the Aldi's pre-Thanksgiving grocery haul that I did. And so this is the pre-Thanksgiving HEB grocery haul, okay? And so you are going to see some meat and everything, because everybody is we're going to be partaking in meat for Thanksgiving. I told y'all that we eat it. It's just rare, you know. We not rare, but you know, every now and again, once every other week or so. So we will be eating meat this Thanksgiving, and so I got a little grocery haul for you. So let's just flip this camera and show y'all what your girl is working with. All right. So back here, I'm gonna try to zoom in. I got some Sprite. There, you only see one here, but there are 3. I've got some chicken fry, 3 boxes. I also have some air fry, chicken fry or chicken coating. Back here, I've got some salted butter. I've been tasked with making a couple of cakes for church this weekend, so I'm going to be using this butter for that. Now, I told y'all on the last grocery haul, if you all watched it, if not, then go ahead and click on the iCard above. And I was telling y'all about this Smart Balance butter. Sometimes my grocery store does not have the 45 ounces, and so they'll replace it for 2 of the 15s. So that's what they did. I got 2 Smart Balance butters. I also have some Satori for the macaroni and cheese. This is the Parmesan cheese, so I just noticed that I selected the wrong one. I normally get the one that's shaved Parmesan, but we're gonna make it work. Back here, we've got some whole milk, all right? That's gonna be for a couple of different things. Some sour cream at the bottom. Here I've got the macaroni noodles for my macaroni and cheese. And over here we've got some easy melt for the macaroni and cheese, as well as some sharp cheddar. I have some smoked Gouda also in the refrigerator. That was from the Aldi's haul though. Then this cheese, y'all know Tillamook is an expensive cheese, so it is just some cheese slices. It was $2 off, so I took advantage of that. Up here, I've got some 100% pineapple and mango puree. Okay, this is gonna be for a punch that I'm gonna make for Thanksgiving. As well as 3 of these 16-ounce bags of green beans and 3 of the super sweet corn. And then we also have 2 of these family size cream of chicken soup because I use that for my dressing. Pineapple chunks and mango chunks because I'm using that in my punch. Y'all better get with it, get with it. Now back here is gonna be dinner tonight. Chicken tamales and pork tamales. Now in my store they have something called like Combo Loco. So if you buy certain products, then you get a certain amount of products for free. Well, if you purchase 2 of these tamales, no matter what kind, they had dessert ones and bean and cheese, you know, then you get 5 items for free. So I'll get to those 5 items that were for free in just a little bit. Back. So my mom is going to be making some dressing, which you guys, if you are part of the live, you'll see. I don't ever make my cornbread from scratch most of the time, you know, unless I just absolutely have to. Normally I use these bags right here of just regular yellow cornbread mix, and I zhuzh it up and do what I'm gonna do with it. So I have several bags of that, but I'm probably not even gonna use them for Thanksgiving. Got some eggs, 18-count eggs, because again, I told you guys I'm gonna be making a cake for this weekend, so I wanted to get some extra eggs so that we don't really go into our eggs for Thanksgiving. We've got 2 of these 12-count of mini ears of corn on the cob because I couldn't figure out if I want to do corn on the cob or do the regular super sweet corn. So I just got both, okay? Back here are some drumsticks for whatever dinner we may do that where we're, you know, cheating and eating some meat. Back here is the leg quarters. These leg quarters will be smoked for Thanksgiving. So we're going to be having 3 types of meat, which is turkey, ham, and then smoked chicken for Thanksgiving. And of course, back here we got our vanilla wafers for the banana pudding. That's going to happen. And the dump and go. I'll put an iCard up here in case you have not seen that. Then the Country Time lemonade is also going to be part of my punch, along with some other things that you guys, that I already have that you haven't seen. Up here, I've got some smoked turkey necks. That's going to be for my dressing and for my gravy. And then as well as some smoked turkey wings. I actually ordered smoked turkey legs, but they were out of them. So this was the replacement. And these are some big boys. Dang! All right. Now, I've got over here, I should have 2 bags of these potatoes, just some regular russet potatoes. I should have 2 5-pound bags of that. So the other one's around here somewhere. Now onto these free items, y'all. For the tamales, I got for free these tostada shells. So that's a good deal. I can put some refried beans on this and some cheese, and that's a good snack or even dinner, depending on. I also got the Mi Tienda Mexican rice, arroz mexicano, but the option was refried beans or Mexican rice. I opted to do the rice. As well as the cotija Mexican cheese. They were out of the one that they offered for free. So this was their replacement. This is grated cheese. I swear, I'm grated cheesed out, okay? I was not trying to get this one. I was trying to get the one that has like the more chunkier chunks of cheese. And then that was free. Also, this shredded lettuce was free. This was just a 8-ounce bag of shredded lettuce. So that was also for free, as well as a pint of ice cream. So that is in the freezer, and I got the pecan turtle. So yeah, that is this HEB pre-Thanksgiving grocery haul. The only things that I'm missing out of here that I have not purchased yet because it is more like fresh items and I don't want them to go bad, is my kale greens and my bananas for my banana pudding, as well as the sweet potatoes for my sweet potato pies and my roasted sweet potatoes that we make in the oven. We also got this for free. I cannot remember what I purchased to get this for free. Maybe it was the Easy Melt. I think it was the Easy Melt. I purchased the Easy Melt and got the Jimmy Dean pork sausage for free. I think that the correlation between the two is that people use this breakfast sausage in their nachos. So yeah, had to come back and let y'all know that. So yeah, this is our HEB grocery pre-Thanksgiving grocery haul. If you would like to see more videos like this, all you have to do is click that subscribe button. Make sure you hit the notification bell so that you are updated every time we upload a new video. Now, I don't know if you're going to get 2 videos or just one combining the Aldi and the HEB, but nonetheless, I need y'all to watch and I need y'all to share. And I need y'all to click that thumbs up button for your girl, okay? We have reached our 2,000 subscriber count goal. Woo! So super excited. Y'all, keep it up. Y'all are the real goats, okay? The real MVPs, the real G Squad. Please, please, please keep it going. Keep sharing these videos and continue to watch, because our watch time is going up. Y'all about to monetize your girl. I'm like feeling some kind of way, like I'm feeling some kind of way because I'm gonna be in these YouTube streets. But okay, nonetheless, I'm gonna talk to y'all later on the next video. Bye.